Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I wanted to quickly show you this section of my succulents. Now these were some pups that I had added in this. They basically got wet during the rains, and as of now they are slowly picking up. You might have seen it in the last video as well. They're doing a little bit better. These are my Campfire and this is the Luella. So these were the recent changes that I have done. I have moved them to different pots, but they are doing quite well. These are some of my Graptosedum ghosty. They are also doing quite well. This is my Lola. This is the arrangement that I had recently made. That is also doing quite well. This one is slightly still closed inwards. It has to open up, whereas the others are doing quite well. If you remember the Letizia, the leaves were downwards because of lack of light, but now you can see it's slowly starting to recover. This is my Graptoveria Purple Delight. This is my Graptoveria Marpin. This is Graptopelaum Purple Delight, and this is Graptoveria Marpin. These were some pups that I've recently added, and these are my Sedum Golden Glow. I'm not very sure about this one. I think it is a variety. If it is definitely a variety of Sedum, but I'm not very sure. I initially thought that this is California Sunset, but they don't grow that huge, because California Sunset, the succulent tends to grow quite huge, but this has been very small since the day I have bought. So I'm not very sure about the ID, but definitely it is a variety of Sedum. Probably something that is related with Sedum Adolphi or something like that, but it is definitely a variety of Sedum. This is another Echeveria. I'm not very sure about the names. You can see the leaves have started to go downwards because it was kept in a place where it was not getting a good amount of light. So now I have moved it into this space where it gets a good amount of morning direct sunlight, and hopefully it will recover very soon. These are my all-time favorite. These are my Sedum Theriaceae. I don't know exactly. I'll put the name on the screen. So they are also doing quite well. This one is slightly dehydrated. This is well hydrated. It's perfect condition. It has been getting a proper amount of watering. This one is doing, because it was kept in a lot of sunlight, so I have recently moved it. I didn't realize because I had my Sedum Adolphi next to it, so I was keeping it in a good amount of light, but I think I will eventually put it in indirect bright light, or I might happen to move the Sedum, because I think the Theriaceae Sedum does not like a lot of light, probably a good amount of morning direct sunlight, but it was getting a little bit of afternoon sunlight as well. Not a lot, but probably for 30 minutes to 45 minutes it was getting a little bit of afternoon sunlight, and that's why I noticed that it's getting dehydrated a little bit more faster. So I might take out the Sedum Adolphi and put it in another pot, but as of now it's doing quite well. There are new pups also growing, but slightly dehydrated. I will water it once again. These are my Magdoglii that are doing quite well. This is another Echeveria. I think it might be either Echeveria Violet Queen or it might be Elegance. I'm not very sure. But so far the Magdoglii are doing quite well. They were quite closed last time, but they're slowly opening up and they're putting up pups as well. This was another setup of small little pups that were there. I think I will move them very soon. These are my Graptosedum ghosty, and then there is one Marpin. There are some more of those sedums which I'm not aware about. So I think, and this was that small little pup, if you remember, it has been growing in between them. So it's getting a little clustered. I will try and separate them. I don't have soil again. I'm running out of aquarium sand, so I have to collect some of the sand because I don't use coco peat for any of my succulents. So I have to be a little bit more careful because the collection is increasing, and I need to have a little bit more backup of soil. But so far all of these collections are looking fantastic. They all have their colors, even though it has been very cloudy. Right now it is very cloudy. As you can see, there's hardly any sun. The sun is just there for like 5 minutes and then it gets cloudy like this, but even then my succulents have maintained the color, which is a good sign. Probably the monsoon season is going to last for another 2 or 3 months. It is going to be cloudy, but then eventually it will start to clear up. But so far the succulents are doing extremely well. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.